So in this video I'll be showing you how to replace the tail light bulb or indicator light bulb at the rear of the Audi A6 Avant. This also works for the S6 models, so it's the C7 models from 2011 through to 2018. Firstly, what you'll need is a flathead screwdriver. You can insert it here at the bottom of the trim next to the light fitting, and initially you just want to unclip the trim from the light fitting and then slide it up along the edge alongside the light fitting. You need to be a little bit persistent here, as this is the only fiddly part of the replacement. So once the trim is off, you'll uncover two Torx screws. As part of this Audi Toolkit, there will be a component for a Torx screwdriver. So if you want to use that, or you maybe use your own toolkit that you have to unscrew the Torx screws, be careful not to drop the screws, as there's a little slot just underneath, and if it goes down there then you're screwed. Next, you'll need this little plastic wedge, which is also part of the toolkit. Perhaps you can use another thin plastic card of some sort, perhaps a plastic scraper, and if you don't have that, perhaps a metal scraper, but be very, very careful not to damage your paintwork. After that, you can just unclip the connector, and then the light fitting will come right out. And then the light bulb assembly is put together with 3 Torx screws, but the Torx screws also have a flat line along the edges, so you can also use a flathead screwdriver to remove these screws if you don't have the correct size Torx screwdriver. I've already taken the faulty blown bulb out, so I'm just replacing the new one, which is a P21 bulb, which is the same as the indicator bulb there. The only difference is clear glass for the tail light bulb and amber glass for the indicator light bulb. Once you've securely put the bulb in, you want to screw the Torx screws back in to the light fitting. And just in case you don't know where your toolkit is, by the way, it's in the base of the boot underneath the spare wheel. So here you just reconnect the connector, and you'll see a little protruding part in the light fitting which just slots into the groove, and you just need to wiggle and push it in, and it should hold place. To secure it, obviously you need to put the Torx screws back in. And once you've done that, the only thing left is the trim. There's 2 protruding rods as part of the trim, as you can see just there, and there's just corresponding grooves which you need to slot that into. And once you align that, just give it a firm push, and it should just click into place. And yep, once you've done that, you're all done. I hope you like this video. I hope it helps. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and please like the video. Thanks a lot. Bye.